Welcome to Smart Learning. One more problem is there in the diagonal scale. There is a add feet inch. So we know that, and we have to solve the problems of meter, centimeter, decimeter. That's very easy. But the difficulty is how to construct add feet inches. So we'll see the question of one more question on the diagonal scale. Construct a diagonal scale of RF is equal to 3 by 1 by 332 showing add feet and inches and to measure up to 4 ads. To measure up to 4 ads means here RF is given 1 by 32 and L max is also given 4 ads. But here the mention is add feet inches. But in our scale we have to use only centimeters, only centimeter scale. So we are following only this type of scales only we have to use. So that's why we have to mention to add feet inches, you have to convert to centimeters, then you have to solve the problem of LOS. Only we have to use this type of scales. We don't have any add scale, feet scales and inch scales. So that's why we have to convert to add feet inches to scale, centimeters. Then it is easy to construct. So how to convert add feet inch into centimeters? So we have to follow same rules and regulation. RF is equal to, here given direct 1 by 32. So if we have mentioned any theory form means RF formula is length of the drawing by length of the object, that then you have to substitute and then you have to represent RF, and here RF is no units. And here mentioned L max. Here mentioned L max is equal to 4 ads. 4 ads. L max is equal to 4 ads. But we need only centimeters. We need only centimeter. But we know that 1 ad is equal to 3 feet. 1 ad is equal to 3 feet. And 1 ad is equal to, we know that inch. 3 into 12 inch. 1 ad is equal to 36 inch. We have to write like this only, 3 into 12 inch. And 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. 2.54 centimeter. So this we have to follow the same rules and regulation. And here mentioned LOS formula, RF into L max. RF is nothing but 1 by 32 and L max is nothing but, here L max is mentioned direct 4 ads. 4 ads. So 4 ads means here you have to follow to centimeters. So first of all you have to 1 ad is equal to 3 feet, or else 1 ad is equal to, you have to follow inch. Then it is easy to construct centimeters. 1 ad is equal to 3 into 12 inches. So follow the 1 by 32 into 4 into 3 into 12 inch. And here inch is equal to, what is the scale distance? 2.54 centimeter. So similarly 1 by 32 into 4 into 3 into 12 into 2.54 centimeter. Then calculate here. Then you got a LOS length of the scale. That is nothing but LOS is equal to 11.43. If you have any doubt, just calculation 1 by 32 into 4 into 3 into 12 into 2.54 centimeter. This is the process of add inch feet. If in case given the question add feet inch means you have to follow this type of rule. If in case mentioned any meters, centimeter, decimeter, it is easy to construct. But the thing is here add feet inch means it is a little bit difficult. You have to convert to inch, then you have to substitute LOS, then you have to calculate LOS. So we have a rules and regulations of diagonal scale. We already mentioned the first problem, what is the rules and regulation. Here we have to clear again. So diagonal scale have rules and regulation. Height is 5 centimeter, and here we have to mention diagonal scale only 3 units. Main unit, sub unit, sub unit. You have to identify either 3 main units given, draw a construction, draw a scale means you have to follow the diagonal scale rules and regulations, or else you have to mention directly construct a diagonal scale. Anything you have to follow the diagonal scale rules and regulation. Here construction, first of all LOS. LOS is equal to here 11.43 centimeter. 11.43 centimeter. The LOS is equal to 11.43 centimeter. So you have to follow 11.43 means approx you have to 11.5. You have to construct a 11.5 of the length of the scale. You have to mention 11.5. So 0 and 11.5. Then draw a 11.5. And height of the scale is, and mention within the second A and B. And next is 5 centimeter. Height of the scale is 5 centimeter. Height of the scale is 5 centimeter. Then draw a rectangle box. Same process of already given previous problem we have already done. Similarly same process, but here the thing is only different is add inch feet. You have to convert to add inch feet into centimeters. Then draw a rectangle box. And next you have to divide. Here any mentioned any question mentioned any distance. So we'll see the distance. Construct a diagonal scale of RF is equal to 1 by 32, showing add feet inch and up to 4 adds. So here not any mentioned any distance. So we have to consider only diagonal scale construction only. So divide into equal to 3 equal divisions. 11.5 means you have to divide 4 equal divisions. So divide the equal. From A to start, next point is 0. Same process for plane scale and diagonal scale. And 1 and 2 and this one is 3. And RF should be right in the middle of the scale, that is 1 by 32. And next you have to draw a vertical lines to up to rectangle box. Draw vertical lines, then you have to divide. Yes, and here mentioned add feet inch. So this is the add. So one add is equal to, already we mentioned one add is equal to 3 feet. One add is equal to 3 feet, and one add is equal to 36 inches. One add is equal to 36 inches. So you have to mention, and 1 inch is equal to 2.4 centimeters. So here mention direct, this one is add, and this one is from 0 to left side only feet, sorry, only capital letters, and this one is main unit, the inch. This one is 1 inch. This is the main unit, subunit, sub-unit. Okay, and diagonally we have to represent. From 0 to, you have to divide this part, you have to divide into 3 equal divisions. Then you have to divide from 0 to left side, you have to divide 3 equal parts. Why? Because one add is equal to 3 feet. Then 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. You have to divide height 5 centimeter, you have to divide into 5 equal divisions. Then you have to similarly have to draw upside of 0 and 0, and from downside and upside you have to mark the points only. No need to draw the line. This is 1 and second, and this one, this point is upside is 2 and 3, and this point is 3. And diagonally have to 0, you have to consider first one, and similarly first one you have to join the second point, and second point you have to join the third point. Why? Because here add feet inch. Similarly have to divide to 12 equal divisions then draw a horizontal lines. Similarly have to join the horizontal lines up to 12 points. Why? Because 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, and ninth horizontal line 10, 11 and 12. This is the diagonal scale, construction of diagonal scale.